Now I am going to tell about how to download Google Meet, Google Classroom, every Google apps, including Play Store, in your PC. Now let's go to the Google Chrome. And in Google Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, Maps, everything in this. You can, for example, I'm going to YouTube. In first time, you can learn how to be download it for easy, and you can do the method for everything. Now it is downloading. Please wait for a minute. Now YouTube is came. Inside it should come full, and in the side of this there are 3 types of dots. Click here, and the more. Here the more was there. The more create shortcut. You should give create shortcut. This shortcut will be shown in desktop. I am giving create shortcut. It will take some time to load because it's not completed. It will take some more times. So after the notification will come like this, I will show after stopping. After it's come like this, you can give this open as Windows. It will not look like a browser, and create it will be like this. Wait for a minute. This is now it's came. Now it's came. You can go to the desktop to see the YouTuber's game. You can do this method for every apps and every Google apps. This Gmail, and I did for Gmail. Open as Windows and create. I gave it. Now it will be shown once here. See the Gmail, and you can go the Gmail. Once I will open this YouTube, so the YouTube will come. Wait for it. YouTube will come. YouTube. See, YouTube is came. This will look like this. You not give the option as open as Windows. It will not come like this. It will has a browser name. I will show a demo for it. Now I am going to Google Chrome. Example, Google Translate. Giving Google Translate. It's coming. Wait for a minute. Again I will stop for a minute and wait for a minute. Again I'm going to stop. Now it is came. I will show this in more. Create shortcut. Wait for a minute. It will come in here. Thinking this for example, create. I gave the create without knowing that this image cannot be described. So Google Web it came. So for example, I will show another thing. I'm thinking you cannot understand it. It will look like this. I'm thinking I will give for you map. This is not well, so I am going to give as map. So please wait for a minute. After stopping, I will be. Now the Google map was came. I will show that how can you do. It will come more option, more tools, and create shortcut. Wait for a minute. It will be display here correctly here because it is loading. Now it is completed. It will be displayed here. Wait for a minute. After stopping, I will continue it. See, it came. It came now. I am not giving as open as Windows. I am giving create, and I am going. See the Google Translate. See Google Map will came, and I am going to the Google Map. There was more difference. See, it will look like this. You are coming from Google Chrome, but you give us Windows, it will not come to the browser. Okay, bye bye. Hit the like button and share to your